Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Lamborghini Aventador and the Nissan GT-R. We'll explore their performance, engineering, and overall driving experience to help you understand their distinct appeals. While both are high-performance machines, they cater to different desires. Let's start by looking at their initial specifications and how they stack up in terms of raw speed and cost. Diving deeper, the Aventador's 12-cylinder engine provides a raw, visceral power delivery and an unmistakable sound that defines the supercar experience. In contrast, the GTR's 6-cylinder, twin-turbo setup offers immense, accessible power with incredible efficiency. Both cars channel their power through sophisticated all-wheel drive systems, ensuring phenomenal grip and stability, even at extreme speeds. When it comes to design, the Aventador is pure theater, with its scissor doors and aggressive lines demanding attention. Its interior is a blend of luxury and race-inspired elements. The GT-R, while still striking, prioritizes aerodynamic efficiency and a more practical, yet highly capable cabin. The driving experience differs significantly. One is an exotic spectacle, the other a precision instrument. Ultimately, the choice between these two titans depends on your priorities. The Aventador delivers an unparalleled exotic car experience, a true automotive masterpiece with a price tag to match. The GT-R, however, provides supercar-level performance and technology at a fraction of the cost, making it an incredible value proposition for enthusiasts. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof food containers, please see the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.